R&B Plastics is really a manufacturer of single screw extruders for the plastics industry. We do standalone extrusion equipment that gets involved in the pipe profile tubing and compounding industry and sheet. But our real bread and butter is in the blow molding part of the business, where we manufacture wheel, rotary, and also shuttle blow molding machinery.
So you need the fastest PLCs you can possibly get on the market. Using standard I/O is what we're looking for, because we're moving 8,000-pound pieces of steel over here, and you've got to try to control that within milliseconds.
We use an Allen-Bradley control reliable system, Compact Logix, to actually not only program the bottle so it gets its shape, it gets the right thickness, the right look of the container, so it's actually able to be in-mold labeled or processed in the machine. Then we actually shuttle it over and actually take all the flash and scrap off the bottle and then deliver it onto the conveyor.
By using the Compact Logix high-speed analog input-output module that came out fairly recently, we're able to control the the wall thickness of the Parison tube as it comes out more precisely. In the long run, that saves the customer material, resin, which saves them money.
The real cost savings that we're seeing is typically you would buy a Parison programmer, a PLC, motion controllers, and we've integrated all that into one functionality.
That's kind of our philosophy, is to get everything inside the PLC, having it control everything, because that way there's one set of software, there's one cable you need when you walk up to the machine, there's one recipe that stores everything.
So you got 8 axes of motion. You're looking $30,000, $40,000 worth of cards, all the wiring that has to be done. Now that's done through the PLC, first time it's engineered.
The big advantage with the PowerFlex 750s is that they're integrated, just the ease of implementation, and of course they perform well, they're reliable, all those things that we have to have as an OEM.
Allen-Bradley has really opened up the door, not just for us, but for our customers, in their ability to make a lot of different bottle configurations on the same machine.
It makes it much easier for them when we use the Rockwell Automation products, because all the data, if you will, the parameters, machine parameters, since they're all stored in the programmable automation controller, so it's a few button presses and he's got the machine reparameterized for another container.
We look at it as keep the interface simple for the operators, put all the technology behind inside the panel.
The ease of operation of the controls, the way you walk through it, here's the operator screens, back behind that, that's the security level, then there's the maintenance screens, behind that's the engineering screens.
One of the great things about the Allen-Bradley products is we don't ever get that bad news call. It's a very well-manufactured product, very well thought out, performs and works admirably in the field. And the support's always been great.
If you look at serviceability, the fact that where you're located, that there's service centers all over the United States, the amount of inventory they carry. I mean, if you really look at it, the fact that you can service and repair the parts in a timely manner or get a replacement part, it's hard to beat them.
If you have a problem, it's nice to know that you can make a quick call with your TechConnect contract to an expert, whether it be Control Logix, a drive problem, whatever it is.
There's cheaper products, but they're not as industrial-based, well-rounded as Allen-Bradley is, as far as the speed and the control that Allen-Bradley offers.
We wouldn't be using Rockwell Automation components if we didn't believe in them. I mean, if we didn't know that it was going to get the job done, and at the end of the day, we were going to be able to go home feeling good that we've built a great machine.